Have you ever wondered what keeps our world in motion? How rockets propel into space, or why we stay grounded while walking? Welcome to a journey into the heart of physics. Newton's laws of motion. Let's begin with why Sir Isaac Newton formulated laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton formulated laws of motion to describe the behavior of objects in motion and what causes this motion. Newton's first law. Newton's first law of motion is also called as law of inertia. It states that an object will remain at rest or in a uniform motion unless an external force is acting on it. Think a ball in front of you, and you are going to kick it. Now unless you kick the ball will be in rest. And once you kick it, start to move. The motion of the ball is due to an external force provided by you. We can relate this topic to motion satellites such as Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 launched by NASA. These rockets keep on moving even though there is no fuel in them. This is due to law of inertia. Newton's second law. Before we go to Newton's second law of motion, let's talk about momentum. You might be knowing that momentum is mass times velocity. And momentum is denoted by p. To understand what is momentum, consider a situation where two boys are throwing a ball. But first one is stronger than the second one. Now both should throw the ball and it should reach the line. Stronger one's ball reached in first throw. But the second one could not reach the goal. That's why he has stepped back and increases his velocity. Then he throws the ball. Due to his increased velocity, the ball reaches the goal. We can say that force depends on mass and velocity of an object. So we combine these quantity, we get momentum. Newton's second law of motion, also called as law of acceleration. It states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the force applied. The derivation goes on like this. Imagine you're trying to push two friends on swing sets at a playground. One friend, Alex, is a small child, and the other friend, Max, is a much larger adult. You want to give swing for both of them at same force. However, since Max is much heavier than Alex, he resists accelerating as much as Alex does. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion, also called as action-reaction law. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This can be related to walking. When you walk, you exert a backward force in which the ground exerts the force towards you through which you can walk. Even when rocket has been launched, the rocket exert force to ground, through which ground exert force to rocket in upward direction. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest video.